Hey guys, welcome back to the video, and today I'm gonna be show you how to boot into the recovery mode on Huawei Y7P cannot factory reset. Okay, so I show you how we get this. You can go to settings right here. I can see that. Tap about phone. You can the Android 10. Nice. You can power phone. Okay, let me press and hold power button and volume up button. Release both together until you see the Huawei logo. Okay, like this. Okay, you can move your finger. Keep pressing the volume up button. Okay, you can move your finger. Alright. Like this. There we go. I can see the immersion UI recovery menu. You can select clear data. Select factory reset. You can type no. No. Done. Go back. Okay, you can back button, select update mode. In recovery mode, select factory reset. You can type no again. You can see that. Done. You can select cancel. Select restart. You can go back to Android normal mode. There we go. Okay, there we go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. That's it.